In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to save Fortnite replays on PC. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Managing and saving your Fortnite replays on PC is a super simple process. You will be able to do this on the lobby right after you are done with a match. If you go over to Career and then click on Replays, usually at the bottom right corner of the screen, you will be taken to the Replays page where you can find all the replays attributed to your computer and account. So as you can see, I have this quick match which I finished today, and you can see details like the date, the length, my finish position, as you can see I am a noob, and how many eliminations you had. The name, if you haven't messed with this replay, should be unsaved replay, meaning that you still have to rename and save it. You will also find all the options here and one related to saving, but before I showcase this option, keep in mind that you can also open the replay folder and locally manage all of your replays. So sometimes maybe you saved your replay elsewhere or you want to import a different replay that you downloaded. This is where you have to place the downloads and your replay files. As you can see, they end in .replay. With this out of the way, all that you have to do to save your Fortnite replays on PC is to left click on the specific one that you would like to manage, and you will find the option to rename and save. This is what you have to do if you wish to locally save the replay, but you also have the option to simply play it. So if you go over here and you give it a name, for example, replay basic, and confirm, it is now saved. As you can see, you can still find it on the replay folder with the new name, and now you can left click this and play. You will be able to watch any replays that you have as long as you do this process inside of the game. To my knowledge, there is no way to fully watch a replay without launching the game. You have plenty of options to explore when you watch a replay. You can change perspective, you can go to a specific position in the replay, you can zoom in, out, and it's very good to make cinematics or just rewatch your gameplay to see what you did wrong, maybe learn, or just to have fun and watch some sick kills or frags that you got. As long as you do this process through the Fortnite launcher, you will be able to manage any replays that you have, save them locally, back them up, and you will be good to go. I hope I was able to help you on how to save Fortnite replay on PC. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.